family, it's Sonia here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing one of my most requested tutorial, which is a chest stand with the help of my sister.
Hi!
I'm going to be doing the advanced level while she's going to be doing the beginner level because she's still a beginner. So let's go. So in all the stretches I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing 10 counts, but you should do at least 20 to 30 counts, okay? Let's go. So first we're going to start to warm up. We're going to do jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we're going to be doing our back stretch. Because you cannot do a chest stand without stretching your back. Let's go. We're going to start with seal pose. So lie on your belly and look back as far as you can. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Stretch out your back to release pain from your back muscles. Let's put it on our back. You can stretch out your back like this, or you can stretch out your back like doing pipe. But I think you should do pike. So the next stretch, we're going to be doing a kneeling down bridge. Let's go. Hands up and go down. And hold your ankle. Hold your ankle. You can do this, Amanda. You can do this. So you're going to try to look inside the leg. Look in as far as you can. Don't force it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Stretch out your back. And make sure your knee is locked in and your toe is pointed. So our next back stretch is going to be a bow pose. You're going to hold your ankle and try to take your leg up and hold it for at least 20 counts. We are going to be holding it for 10 counts. Let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Relax, breathe, then out of it. Now, stretch out your back, right? And now we are done. And now we're ready to learn our chest stand. So we have 3 ways to enter a chest stand. So let's start from the first way to enter a chest stand is from bridge. And I don't do it, I want to demonstrate it first. From bridge, go on your elbow and enter a chest stand. But you can only do this when your leg is touching the floor. So the second way to enter a chest stand is by diving into the chest stand like this. And the third way to enter a chest stand is this, by kicking into it. So these are the 3 ways of entering a chest stand. So let's start. So I'm going to be teaching the dive into chest stand, rolling into the chest stand. So let's go. So first we are going to kneel down like this. Kneel down like this. The legs should be open like this. The legs should be this wide apart. Your hands should be on your knee here and your hip forward. When your hip is forward, you're going to be looking back like this. Okay? So let's go. Kneel down, legs down to your knee, hip forward and look back. So the next step we're going to do now is to, when you're going to try to push your hip forward and place your hand on the floor like this. No. Your hand should be on the floor like this. And stand up again. When you're down, your hip forward. Place your hand should be like this. Like this. And then go down, push your hip forward. Your hip. Yes. But don't bring your hand like this. So you're going to bring your waist forward, and use your hand to catch yourself so you're not the waist on the floor. You're going to use your palm to catch yourself. That's why our hand is like this. So we can catch ourselves. Okay? So let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Waist forward, look back and go. Yes. Let's try that again. 3, hip forward, look back. 3, 2, 1, go. Beautiful. So now we're going to try, when you go down, you're going to try to take your leg up as well. Okay? Do you understand what I say? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, waist forward and go. Yes. Good job. Let's go. You're going to try to take your leg up faster. Ready? Set. Go. Yes. Beautiful. So let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. And down. Yay! You got it. Yay! You got it. So now let's stretch out. Let's stretch our back. But this is really painful. Children is really painful. So let's stretch our back. So guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. See you all in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you all later. Bye.